This morning, BBC Breakfast's weather reporter Carol Kirkwood gave viewers the end of this week's forecast live from central London. She began by revealing that yesterday was the hottest day of the year so far. Yesterday we have the hottest day of the year so far now. It's quite a muggy start to the day again, she began. 1 degrees Celsius in Woodsley in Surrey. She revealed the mercury scooted up to 35. Temperatures at the moment across eastern parts of England 20 to 22 degrees Celsius. Generally for the rest of the UK we're looking at the mid to the high teens, she said. She continued, now, during July, so far, we've had 14 days somewhere in the UK where the temperature has been 30 degrees Celsius or above. Those 14 days haven't been consecutive days, so in that sense we can't compare this summer to the summer of '76. Carol went on to discuss tonight's lunar eclipse, which might not be as visible as people would have hoped. If you're hoping to see the lunar eclipse tonight, you're going to be lucky because today there's a fair bit of cloud around and a fair bit of rain as well and thunderstorms. Perhaps the best chance you have is across parts of Oxfordshire and the far north of Scotland, she revealed. Carol then went on to reveal that today will mark an end to the current heatwave that has gripped the nation and the beginning of some dangerous thunderstorms. Today what we're looking at is potentially the last day of the current heatwave, unless you're in East Anglia where it's still going to be hot and muggy. Currently we've got thunderstorms across parts of northeast Scotland, northwest Scotland and in the southeast quarter of England, and we've got some more thunderstorms, she said. Temperature-wise, we're looking at highs today of about 33, 34, maybe 35 in East Anglia, but for most of us not as hot as yesterday, she explained. The Met Office has a weather warning out for the thunderstorms across central and eastern parts of England, and this runs from 2 o'clock this afternoon until midnight, and you can see why. Because those thunderstorms rejuvenate as we go through the evening and overnight as they head through the Wash heading out toward southeast Scotland before clearing out into the North Sea. Carol also predicted that this weekend would see more rain and lower temperatures. Sunday we see the rain coming in from the southwest of England. Some of that's going to be heavy as it pushes northeastwards towards the course of the day, but by then all of us will have temperatures closer to what it should be by this stage of July, she said. We're looking at the high teens towards the low to mid-20s, she finished. BBC Breakfast airs weekdays at 6 a.m. on BBC One.